Why did the train go to the gym? To run on the tracks. Haha. Welcome to our store, your ultimate destination for top-notch model railroad products. With our 3D printed items, you can expect unmatched quality and exquisite craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned train modeler or just starting out, we have all the supplies you need to bring your dream layout to life. Explore our extensive collection, featuring track cleaners, building kits, and more, all available in various scales, including the popular N scale. Our diverse range of styles, from Western-inspired designs to modern aesthetics, ensures there's something for every preference. To enhance the realism, we even offer lights and other captivating features. At Designs by Schonfelder, customer satisfaction is our priority. Our outstanding ratings testify to our commitment to exceeding expectations. We meticulously cater to each visitor, ensuring they find what they're looking for and leave with a smile. Don't miss the chance to witness the beauty and attention to detail we provide. Join our satisfied customers by shopping with us today. Discover the unparalleled quality and dedication that come with Designs by Schonfelder. Thank you for choosing us as your trusted provider of train model accessories. Click on the links provided in the description of this video for more information.